welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial and I did it on this bomb hair from Wiggins Hair. I did not wet the hair. This is how the hair comes in its natural state. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did my baby hairs and melted my lace, keep on watching. Oh my god, y'all, I look like I hate coming out here with a ball cap. I look like a boy. Alright you guys, so today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I haven't done one of these in so long, so let's do it. I am wearing a wig from Wiggins Hair. I have been wearing Wiggins Hair from like the very beginning of YouTube. I don't like talking with my ball cap because I feel like I like a boy. And these companies will post me all over Instagram and tag me with a bald head. But I have to show you guys that I just have a bald head because I'm taking the wig right out of the pack and I'm going to put it right onto my head because this wig is a 24-inch invisible lace human hair wig. It is an HD lace. The cap size is a medium. I cannot remember the curl pattern, but I'm going to put the curl pattern when I do remember in the description box below. But look, I'm just showing you guys how I literally took it out the neck. And this is the hair I'm going to be installing. This looks like a water wave pattern. It looks so pretty, but I will double check and have in the descriptions what this is. And y'all, like, it looks so good. You sing okay? Wow. Wow. If you want your wigs to lay super flat, you have to cut out these combs. You gotta cut out all these combs. I cut out every single one. Some people only cut out the middle one. Some people only cut out the sides. But I like to cut all of them out because I personally feel like, sorry, y'all, don't look at this. I just feel like it lays better without it. It's better without any clips in it. And I'm going to go ahead and cut off this extra lace from now because I always forget. I am going to take my Ruby Kisses cream concealer and put it inside the lace. A lot of people don't like this method and I used to hate it, but it's all in how you do it. Yeah, so just take your Ruby Kiss cream concealer. Well, that's what I do. And I just lightly put it on there. And that just makes a big difference. And this is also like an HD lace, so you don't need too much. I really just do it for the coloring of the lace so I don't have like an ashy tone. Just go ahead and pop it on. And as y'all know by now, I mean, if you're new, I put my wig like way over. I'm gonna be doing 2 layers of my lace glue, and once it's dry clear, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it on. So we're going to put it down now. I am not a fan of HD caps, but is all I had to work with. I don't have any caps, but it is no, this side right here. I'm gonna lift it back up because I already see I have to pull it and then put it down. If I didn't do that, it was gonna ripple. That sideburn got to be sticked down. So now I'm just gonna clip my hair and I'm gonna do the first melt, and I'm not gonna use any sprays or anything like that. I am just going to dry melt it first so the glue can really dry. So no sprays or nothing. And I'm gonna use my Wiggins band, and I like to put it like this. Keep holding it. Do not let it loosen up. And I am going to leave this on for about 4 minutes, and then I will come back and do the second melt, start the baby hairs, styling, and all that. Now I'm going to take it off. Ooh. See how it's looking? Really good. Off my extra lace. So I'll start right here. And then I'm going to start down here. I think I'm gonna end up just doing like a middle part with all the hair just like out. I wanted to do a side, but there's not enough parting space for a side. Oh, yes, there is. Whoa, I did not see that. I can definitely do a nice side part. And I'm gonna be using my, by the time this video comes out, my melt spray should be out, but this is my melt spray. And I'm just gonna, I don't like to spray directly to the lace because I feel like it's a lot of product that comes out. So I just like go like that. Oh y'all, and y'all seen I didn't pluck it or nothing. No plucking, no nothing. But look at how that lace just disappears once I put that on there. And it has like a really good tight hold, this little melt spray. Okay, so now oh my god. Okay. All right, you guys, so the band is coming off now. It should be dry, and I am starting to be pressed for time. So let's go ahead and take that off. Ow. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. Everything looks like it's melted nice. Everything looks like it's melted nice. So let's start with the baby hairs. I, of course, am gonna do this whole little strip right here. This piece, and as well as right there. And then of course, I love my middle swoop baby hair. I cannot live without one. And then I will also follow along right here. And do another baby hair. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and begin to cut. So for this one, I'm going to cut it long and like that. For this one, I'm going to cut it like right here. And then it looks choppy as hell. And then for these, and then for this one, I cut it this way. And then for this one, I cut it like that. Now I just take my curling iron. I like to use the flat iron one, but I don't have one right now, so just take that little piece and wrap it around. And so for my baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like skim through it because it's hard to explain, but you just watch with the motions of my hands. And I'm going to be using my 4-ounce baby hair goop. I am almost down to the bottom of it.
Spirit claims that
the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt.
Alright, you guys, so these are the baby hairs. I'm gonna do a little blow drying on them just to get them to sit in place. I'm gonna go now and just wet up the curls, put a little bit of product in it and tease it out, and I will come back to show you guys the ending. But for now, this is how it looks dry. And I hot combed the hell out of this back part right here. I put my melting spray, you know, make sure I seal it. I can't believe, and I do the same for this part too, and this part, like right against that back head. Looks so cute. I'm gonna go wet it up and do a little bit of stuff to it. So I actually decided that I was not gonna wet it up. I really like how it looks right now, and I actually wanted to stay just like this. And I did just go ahead and put some what did I put on it? I put some hair oil. And I'm just making this have like a more of a defined hump to it. Yeah, y'all, so this is the end of the tutorial. And this is how it looks. I'll stand up a little bit to show you guys where my hair stops at. It stops like right above my waist. So yeah, I will come closer so y'all can get a better look. Some gel and just fix that part right there. But so it looks super cute. I am wearing hair from Wiggins Hair. I will have the texture and all the links linked down below so you guys can go ahead and get your some, and I can go check them out and see. But Wiggins is a well-known and very, very trusted hair company. I don't think I've ever had an issue with Wiggins Hair. The quality here, not the company itself, but the quality. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.